Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on 5 Minute Fridays, we're going to be talking about Expo. Expo is a framework which allows you to write React Native code and then use that code cross-platform. So that includes iOS, Android, and the web. So you can write one time and use that same code base on all those different platforms. Specifically today, we're going to be talking about how to get your project set up, how to get it running, and then how to actually run it on your real device, on your phone. So that's whether you have an iOS device or an Android device, you'll be able to run this with hot reload, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so the first thing that we will do is we're going to go over here to docs.expo.dev, and you see this quick start command here. We'll just copy that. Okay, so we'll open up the terminal, we'll paste that command in there, and we'll press enter. And this will walk us through the setup steps. What is the name of your app? We'll call this Expo Demo. This will take a minute to install. Okay, so now that that is done, you see it gives us these commands that we can run. So we'll cd Expo Demo. And then let's go over to VS Code. Let's open the project here. So you see this gives us a whole lot of boilerplate here too. If you've ever used something like Next.js, this is going to be pretty familiar to you because it has this file-based routing that we get. This comes standard with these tabs as a little demo for us to play with. So what we can do is if we go back to our package.json and see, so you can see that we have these scripts for Android, iOS, and web. For Android and iOS, what this does is creates an emulator, but that's not what we want to do. We want to run this on a real device. When we run npm start, this runs this on localhost 8081. Says using Expo Go. So what we can do is go to the App Store and we can find Expo Go. This is going to be on the iOS App Store or Google Play, and you'll be able to download that. Well, then the next thing you want to do is you want to open your camera app and actually just open this QR code. It'll say open in Expo Go. So this Expo Go app actually gives you this really cool ability to basically run your app on a live hot reload server. So the one thing is you'll have to be on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer for this Expo Go to be able to find your project. Okay, so as you see here, we get this boilerplate here with a couple of navigation tabs at the bottom we can explore. And if we go over here to the tabs index, and if we delete all this and we just say H1, hello world, save that. Oh, well, we're already getting an error. So it says text strings must be rendered with a text component. Okay, so we'll modify that. We'll import this from React Native, save, and well, you can kind of see it. It's black. So it's black on a dark gray screen, so you can't see it. Just say style equals color white. And there we go. Well, we forgot to delete step 3. So you can see how this works, right? You get to test your app in real time on a real device, not on an emulator. I think this is a really cool tool. It's really powerful and really easy to get started. And if you've ever wanted to get into app development, if that's ever been something you've been interested in, now is a great time to do it because it's so easy to get started. So if you liked today's video, if it was helpful to you, if you learned something, please consider giving a like or a subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in the next video.